What you mean, Pramod? I still have the rashes. Tomorrow, still I can do the same. Maybe 1 hour before. Like 1 hour before I started today live, then I can go. I can do live tomorrow because I will be morning the next day. Okay lang, sir. Okay lang, Sir Elmer. Maganda nga kung may comment kasi may masasabi ako dito. Otherwise, sa katunganga lang ako. All this time I need someday. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much. How's the weather? Is it hot? Yes, it's so hot already. Even the water you can take shower without heater now. But of course, if it's morning, then we still need the heater. Ano po work nyo dyan, sir? Have a beautiful day, Pramod. Is it still raining there? Is it still raining there in India? I'm putting cream for my rashes. All the loneliness is always... Last night it was raining. So now it's okay. It stopped the rain. Rain, rain, go away. All the loneliness is always been a friend of mine. I'm living my life. Okay, that's good. That's good. At least the weather will be cold also. Mega love shout out 5 million viewers. Pagaling po kayo, Sir Elmer. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Kahit ako nung pag-uwi ko, na high blood ako dyan sa Pinas. You know, when we're growing old, we have to take care of our health. Like me, when I went home last September, I got high blood there. So, it's really so hard. I will finish my ice cream. Where? Hello, Ahmad Khalil. Ahmad.